spruce is the Alaska state. It has the straight, pointy tops. The Tlingit people used this wood for medicinal reasons, and its wood bark is used as a food source. The western hemlock tree is the droopier-looking tree with sagging tops. The Tlingit people used this tree for spoons, bowls, combs, brushes, and hooks. Western hemlock is a hardwood, so it does have multiple purposes. The red alder are the green, deciduous, leafy trees that you see, and they were used for smoking salmon and any other fish. The mossy stuff that you see hanging off the trees is called lichen, and it is a fungus and algae that grows together, and it only grows in areas where there is clean and limited pollution. Once we reach up top, we will be unloading on our sky bridge. It has windows all the way around. We do ask that you don't put anything like phones, tablets, or cameras outside those windows. Please don't lean over the yellow ramps, rails, or ropes, as they are there for your safety. Once you decide to adventure down the sky bridge today, on the left-hand side, we have the Raven Eagle Gifts and Gallery, one of Juneau's finest gift shops. This is also where the elevator is located. If you are hungry, located on the lower level, we have the Timberline Restaurant, where they serve fresh local seafood, locally brewed beer. They have Bear Creek wine from Homer, Alaska. Also, the Timberline features a vegetarian choice, a children's menu, and signature dish, crab nachos, plus the Judge's blueberry pie. They also have fresh oysters as well, and all-you-can-eat Dungeness crab. But check with the waitstaff to see if it's in season. The restaurant opens daily for lunch and dinner. Our last seating in the restaurant is 8 p.m. Next to the restaurant, we have the Chilkat Theater, showing a complimentary film called Seeing Daylight, based on the Tlingit culture here in Alaska. It plays every half hour on the hour and the half hour, and is approximately 18 minutes long. Located outside of the Mountain House is the Juneau Raptor Center, a nonprofit organization. The Raptor Center is home to Lady Baltimore, a live bald eagle. She was injured and can no longer be released back into the wild, so you don't frighten her. If you wish to go on any hikes or trails today, go ahead and stop by the Nature Center, where you can get further information of the trail conditions. Trail maps are available for $1 and contain information about any plant life or wildlife that inhabits Mount Roberts.
Did you come to the second show? Yeah. So yeah, you saw me almost fall then, probably.